The Barracuda family of banner stands offers 5 base widths to choose from and is one of the most feature-rich single-sided retractable banner stands available. Mounting the graphic is easy. Start by pulling out the plastic end caps and unsnapping the top rail, removing the slider in the process. Align the adhesive slider with the top line of the graphic. Carefully remove the adhesive tape from the slider and apply pressure. Peel back the protective covering 2 inches and push onto the graphic. Carefully remove the rest of the protection and press firmly. Attach the graphic to the slider and insert the slider back into the rail, snapping it closed and inserting your end caps. To attach the graphic base, remove the quick slider from the leader on the base. Remove the film to expose the adhesive on the quick slider and place on the back of the graphic. Insert the slider with the graphic applied into the leader of the center. Prior to retracting the graphic into the base, place a strip of masking tape across the seam for additional security. Remove the pin on the side of the base and carefully retract the graphic.